Number 10 asks us to use Cramer's rule to solve the systems, and we can use the calculator to find the determinants. So Cramer's rule uses determinants really to figure out the answers, and we actually need to find 4 determinants here. So D is going to be actually just all of your coefficients, but none of the totals. So this column I'm actually going to ignore and just copy these coefficients. So this will be 2, 1, -1, -1, 2, 4, 1, -2, -3. dx, I'm going to leave the y column and the z column the same, but I'm going to then take the totals and put those in the x column. So that's going to be 3, -3, and 4. So instead of writing what's normally in front of the x's in the x column, I'm replacing it with the totals column. For dy, it's the y column that I want to replace, and then the dz, it's the z column that I want to replace. And then the other columns in those matrices go back to the normal. So this would be like 2, -1, 1, -1, 4, -3. And then dz is going to be 2, -1, 1, 1, 2, -2. So let me just double check all my numbers here. So again, in each of them, it's just the column that they have specified that we need to put the totals in. All the other columns stay the same that they were in this one. Okay, so these are a bunch of determinants that we need to find. So we need to do a lot of typing in on the calculator. If this were in class, I would split it up amongst 4 different groups, and we could all figure out the determinant simultaneously, but since it's not, I did this before, and the determinant of this one will be 5, this will be 15, this will be -10, and this will be 5. So you would still have to figure out what all these determinants are. So I'm kind of skipping a little bit of steps, but these would be the 4 determinants. Now to get the final answer, if you look at the box, x is equal to dx over d, y is equal to dy over d, and z is equal to dz over d. So x is equal to 15 over 5, which is equal to 3. Y is equal to -10 over 5, which is equal to -2. And z is equal to 5 over 5, which is equal to 1. So these are my x, y, and z. So you're forming different fractions between these determinants. And 3, -2, 1 would be your answer here.